Dear GATE aspirants, welcome to Veda GATE Academy. In the previous session, we have found equivalent impedances for some basic structures. Let us go with some advanced structures and find the equivalent impedances. Shall we start here? Yes. What network it is? It is a lattice network. Examiner's interest is to find ZAB, ZCD here. Fine, sir? Fine. As similar to earlier procedure, let us follow standard procedure, yes. Connect a test source, current I comes out from positive terminal, current I comes like this. At this point, current divides like what? I1 and I3. Fine, sir. I1 current comes like this, no current flows here, I1 current comes like this. Next, I3 current coming like this, no current flows in this wire and I3 current flows like this. Here what is the current, sir? Finally I1. Here what is the current? I3. Both currents acts like what? I. You tell me, sir. Current in Z1, current in Z4, same or different? It is same. Current in Z3, current in Z2, same or different? Same. Means source point of view, how these two connected? In series. Source point of view, how these two connected? In series. Finally what is the answer, sir? Z1 plus Z4 is in parallel with Z3 plus Z2. I am writing the answer here. Z1 plus Z4 in parallel with Z2 plus Z3. Z2 plus Z3. Now students used to ask me one doubt here. Sir, we are seeing how these two are connected in series, but we are unable to see the parallel connection. Could you please help in it? Yes, dears. Lattice network, it is similar to bridge network. Repeating my statement, lattice network, it is similar to bridge network. Let us draw this lattice network in the form of a bridge. Mark these terminals 1, 2, 3 and 4. Drawing lattice network in the form of a bridge. Please observe here. Starting from 1, yes 1. From 1 I am drawing one impedance, calling this impedance as Z1 and this terminal as 2. Again from 1 we have one more impedance. What is that, sir? Z3. What is that? Z3. Again from 2 we have one more impedance. What is that? Z4. Z4 is one impedance. Next, from 2 if you draw Z4 means this terminal is what, sir? 4. From 1 you have drawn Z3 means what is this terminal, sir? 3. Between 3 and 4 we have what? Z2. We have Z2. Fine, sir? Yes, 1 and 4 terminals I am taking outside. 1 is A, 4 is your B. Come on, engineers. Now we give a supply between A and B terminals. Let us give supply between A and B terminals. Test source, sir. Test source. This is my test source. Current comes like this. At this point, current divides like what? I1 and I3. What is current here, dears? I1. What is current here, dears? I3. How these two connected? In series. How these two connected? In series. Both the series combinations connected in parallel. Hope you got the point. Both the series combinations connected in parallel. Suppose if examiner asks ZCD, what is your answer, sir? If examiner asks ZCD, what is your answer? You will be removing test source from AB terminals, connecting test source in between C and D terminals. Current comes like this, divides like this, like this. How this Z1, Z3 connected? In series. How Z4 and Z2 connected? In series. Both the combinations connected in parallel. Let me write the answer. Z1 plus Z3 parallel with Z4 plus Z2. Hope you got the point, yes. Fine. And interesting question starts now. See, 1 means this is A, 2 means what is this, sir? This is C, and 3 means this is D. Yes. Examiner is asking what is ZAC? How we do this? ZAC is interesting question here. Please observe. ZAC, DS, current comes, pink current comes, yes. Current comes like this. At this point, current divides into this and this, yes or no? Current is coming like this. At this point, current divides into this and this. Whatever the current that comes here, same current flows in Z2. Whatever the current that flows in Z2, same current flows in Z4. both the currents, this current and this current acts like what? I. Is it done, dears? Clear, sir? Again I repeat my statement. Say some I current is coming like this. Say current that is entering into Z1 is I1. Say the current that entering into Z3 is I2. Same I2 current flows in Z2. Same I2 current flows in Z4. All the currents again adds into what? I. So it is very clear how this Z3, Z2 and Z4 connected in series. This series combination is connected in parallel with Z1. The series combination is connected in parallel with Z1. Is it done, sir? Right. Writing the statement here. Z1 parallel with what? Z3 plus Z2 plus Z3 plus Z2 plus Z4. Z3 plus Z2 plus Z4. Similarly, sir, faster please. Yes. What if I ask ZBD, what is your answer? If I ask ZBD, what is your answer? Current comes like this, divides into this and this. Whatever the current that comes here, same current flows here. Means how these three connected, sir? In series. Parallel with what? Z2. So, Z4 plus Z1 plus Z3 parallel with Z2 is your answer. Come on, engineers. Suppose if I ask ZCB, what is your answer? Z4 parallel with series combination of other three. Clear? Any difficulty, yes? Follow the basic procedure. Connect the test source. Do the current distribution. Yes. Once the current distribution is done, easily can identify what elements are connected in series and what elements are connected in parallel. Done, sir? Shall we go to the next question? What can be the next question, sir? Lattice network with CD terminals? Perfectly. Shorted. Okay? Right. Next cue. Lattice network with C and D terminals shorted. Let us connect test source here. Let us connect a test source. Current I comes like this. Okay, sir? Right. See, when you are doing current distribution for this, please understand this circuit when I draw in the form of a bridge network. Fine? Right. Let us draw this in the form of a bridge, sir. Let me compress this. Yes. Earlier we have taken the terminals here 1, here 1, 2, 3 and 4. And even we have drawn the lattice network. We have drawn the bridge network. Let us draw the bridge network, dears. Drawing the bridge network and representing the short wire between the respective C and D terminals. If you call this as one terminal, if you call this as 1, yes, between 1 and 2 we have Z1, between 1 and 3 we have Z3. Next, between from 2 we have Z4, from 2, yes, this terminal would be 4, between 3 and 4 we have Z2. Yes, I am asking A and B. ZAB is my question. This is A. ZAB is my question. But here 2 and 3 terminals are shorted. 2 and 3 terminals are shorted in simply like this. Whatever the analysis you are doing in this structure, please represent the same analysis in this, then you get the perfect clarity. Done, sir? Right. So, the same structure, can I modify like this? See how I am modifying. Let me compress this. See how I am modifying this. 2 point, 3 point, both the points are same. 2 is nothing but C, 3 is nothing but D. These 2 points are same. Can I compress these 2 points and draw like this? Can I compress these 2 points and draw like this, sir? See, I am drawing like this, compress these 2 points. And from here, we have one more impedance. One more impedance. Represented like this. Fine, what is this Y, sir? What is this? A. This point we are calling as B. What is this impedance? Z1. What is impedance, sir? Z3. Here, Z4 and Z2. This point is C, D. Come on, sir. What is ZAB? Z1 parallel Z3 plus Z4 parallel Z2. Suppose if I ask ZAC, what is your answer? Z1 parallel Z3. ZAD, what is your answer? Z1 parallel Z3. ZCD, what is your answer? 0. ZDB, what is your answer? Z4 parallel Z2. Hope you got the point, dears. Fine. Right. Suppose for the same question, if A and B terminals are shorted instead of C and D terminals, and if examiner asks ZCD, what is your answer, sir? Hope you got my question. What I am saying is, AB terminals are shorted. And if I ask ZCD, what is your answer? By shorting AB shorted. Come on, sir. If you short A and B terminals, yes, the short wire will be like this, without this red wire here. Without red wire, only black wire. Come on, Z1 parallel Z4. Z1 parallel Z4 plus Z2 parallel Z3 is your answer. Sir, is there any way to remember this? Yes, I used to tell like this, DS. See here, when you are connecting source here, current is getting divided at this point. Yes or no? Shortcut technique, how to remember this? Current is getting divided at this point. Yes, these two are connected in parallel. Okay, sir, right. Once you remember one parallel combination, other parallel combination easily can write, and both are connected in series. Clear, sir? Right. So this is what lattice network with CD terminals shorted. Let's go with next Q. I can say this like an extended bridge. Extended bridge. Can I compress this? Yes. Fine. What is the value of ZAB in this question? If I ask ZAB, what is your answer, sir? Connect test source between A and B terminals. Yes. Enough practice is done. Easily can answer, sir. What is ZAB? Z1. Suppose if I ask ZAE, what is your answer? Current comes like this. First you have to think like this, sir. Current has to enter at A. Current has to come out from E. Till total current comes out from E, you have to do the current distribution. Again, don't connect any test source, sir. Already enough practice is done. Current comes like this. At this point, current divides like this and like this. Whatever current comes here, same current flows here. Similarly here, same current flows. Both currents adds like I. Yes or no? Right. How these two connected? In series. How these two connected? In series. Both series combination connected in parallel. The total combo is connected in series with Z1. Finally, my answer Z1 plus, come on engineers, Z2 plus Z3 parallel with what? Parallel with Z2 plus Z3 parallel with Z5 plus Z4. Fine, everyone can answer this question, sir. But interesting question here, if I ask ZAC, that is much interesting. ZAC is much interesting. Please follow the same procedure. ZAC means current has to enter at A. Current has to come out from C. Please draw like this. You will get perfect clarity, DS. ZAC, come on, sir. I current comes like this. Say some current I is coming like this. At this point, current divides into this and this. Yes or no? Right. Next. From where the current has to come out? From C, na? Yes. Whatever the current that is coming in this wire, same current flows here. Next. Whatever the current coming in this wire, will any current flows in this wire, sir? No. Why? If any current comes in this wire, is there any path for that current to enter the C terminal? No path. Clear, dears? So here, same current comes and enters both current. This black current and this black current. This is not I, dears. Let us represent this as some. Let's remove this even. Fine. Yes. Why? Because we have not notated any terminology. If you want terminologies even, I can represent. Since this is Z2, let us write as some I2. Since this is Z5, let us write this current as some I5. Here what is the current? I5. Here what is the current? I5. I5. Okay? Right. Now, please tell me I2 and I5 adds like I divided like I2 and I5. I2, I5 again adding like I. If you want to put currents and learn, yes. If you are at the basic level, please, yes, please write the currents and all, and easily you can understand the subject. Done, sir? Finally, what is the answer, sir? How these three connected? In series, Z5 plus Z4 plus Z3 parallel with what? Z2. The total combination is in series with Z1. Hope it's visible to you, sir. Please have a look into the answer. Z5 plus Z4 plus Z3 parallel with what? Z2. The total combination is connected in series with what? Z1. Done, sir? Shall we go with next question? Easy or difficult? Easy, DS. Next question. See what I have done. With the same extended bridge, I have taken one horizontal diagonal. I have taken one horizontal diagonal. Done, sir? Yes. and examiner interest is to calculate ZAE first. Come on, sir. What is ZAE? Current has to enter from A. Current has to come out from E. Current comes like this. At this point, current divides into this, this and this. Current here, same or different? Same. Current here, same or different? Same. All the three currents adds like what? I. How these two connected? Series. How these two connected? Series. All the three combinations in parallel and series with Z1. Yes or no? Right. Writing the answer, sir. Z2 plus Z3 parallel with Z6 parallel with Z5 plus Z4. The total combination is in series with Z1. Clear? Right. Next question. It is a bit interesting question, sir. If you ask ZAC, it is a bit interesting question. Current has to enter from A. Current has to enter from A. Current has to come out from C. Current has to come out from C. Done, sir? Right. I current is coming like this. Say some I current is coming like this. At this point it divides like, say some I2. Here let us call the current as some I6. Let us call this current as some I5. Tell me, sir. Yes, please. I5 current coming like this and even flowing in this. Means how these two connected? In series. The series combination is connected in parallel with what? Z6. Z6. Yes or no? These two are in series, parallel with Z6. Next, whatever the current that is flowing in this combination, let me draw this. Whatever the current that is flowing in this combination, same current is getting added and flowing here. Means for this combination, how Z3 is connected? In series. Come on, sir. Right. These two in series, agreed? Yes. Series, and this is connected in parallel with Z6. The total combo is connected in series with Z3. Come on. The total combo is connected in parallel with Z2. The total combo is connected in series with what? Z1. I am writing the answer here. Z5 plus Z4 parallel with Z6. The combo series with Z3. The combo, let me compress this, series with Z3. The total combo parallel with Z2. And the total combo is in series with Z1. Clear, dears? ZAC. So these two are connected in series. Okay, let me explain another way. Fine. Tell me please, how these two connected? In series. These two are connected in series. Next, this series combination is connected in parallel with what? How these two are connected? In parallel. Next, this parallel combination is connected in series with what? Z3. Now observe carefully. This complete combination is connected in parallel with what? Z2. If you are having any doubt, please understand like this. See, the complete combination, let me use pink pen. Yes, the complete combination, current is entering plus, current is leaving here minus. Now tell me please, here some current is entering, black current, plus, leaving minus, this minus connected here, this plus connected here. Between these 2 points, this Z2 and this complete combination is connected in parallel. Hope you got the point, yes? Fine, sir? Right. See, observe even my phrasing, please. ZY plus Z4 parallel with Z6. Parallel with Z6, combination series with Z3. And the total combo is parallel with Z2. Total combo is in parallel with Z2. Next, the total combo is connected in series with what? Z1. Same question if examiner asks, yes, ZAD, how you answer? ZAD, how you answer, sir? Yes, ZAD, please understand. Current comes like, you have to view DS, you have to view. Please draw circuit on your own and please analyze and cross check your answer with the answer which I give. Done, sir? Right. Z2 plus Z3 in series. Z2 plus Z3 in series. Parallel with Z6. parallel with Z6. The combo is in series with Z4. The total combo is in parallel with Z5. And the last combo is in series with Z1. Hope it's visible to you, sir. Is in series with Z1. Done? Right. Suppose if examiner asks ZBE, what is your answer? ZBE. What is your answer, sir? Yes, all these three elements, Z2 plus Z3 parallel with Z6, parallel with Z4 plus Z5. Done? Right. Advanced question. Done? Next, what is do? Let us see. We started our discussion. Let us have a look at an earlier problem. We don't have any impedance between B and this point and this point. Whereas in this question, we have an impedance between this point and this point. Question number 10. Now, if Z6 is open circuited, if Z6 is made 0, means open circuited, it is similar to earlier question, question number 9. Next, if Z6 is short circuited, let us short Z6, yes. Let us short Z6. Let us short Z6. Made Z6 shorted means like this. Now come on, question number 11. How we can answer this? If examiner asks ZAB, what is your answer? Z1. Z1. If examiner asks ZAE, what is your answer? Still it is Z1. Why? Because here now this B point, no element, and this E point, both the points are same. Next, if examiner asks ZAC, what is your answer? A bit interesting, DS. ZAC. So, no, please. Current has to enter at A. Current has to come out from C. Next, say some current IE is coming like this. At this point, current divides into I2. Let us call this current as some I3. Let us call this current as some I5. Now, immediately doubt comes for the student. Sir, since this is a short wire, total current flows only in this wire, na sir? Yes, dears. I am writing I5, but this value is 0 amperes. Current always prefers the low resistive path. So, no, please. From here to here, current is feeling 0 resistance. Whereas from here to here, current is feeling an impedance of Z5 plus Z4. Which path it prefers? Always it prefers a low resistive path. See, I am writing this current as I5. Since we have learned like this, I have represented this current as I5. But what is the value of I5? 0 amperes. Hope you got the point. Done, sir? Right. I3 current comes like this. Yes. Here current adds like what? I2 and I3. Both the currents adds like what? I. See, my I divided into I2 and I3. Again, I2 and I3 adds like I. Current entering means plus, leaving means minus. Entering means plus, leaving means minus. How these two connected, sir? In parallel. Positive, positive connected to one point, both points same. This negative connected here, this negative connected here. Finally, my answer Z1 plus Z2 parallel Z3. Suppose if I ask ZAD, what is your answer? Fast. Z1 plus, come on, Z5 parallel Z4. Clear, sir? See, this is what extended bridge with the diagonal. With the diagonal with impedance of value Z6. If Z6 is 0, if Z6 is shorted, different combinations. Done. This is how we have to learn the subject, dears. You get a lot of confidence if you learn like this. Next cue, please. Let me put this impedance, whatever the impedance we have taken earlier, Z6, let us put that impedance vertically. Let us put that impedance vertically, dears. Fine? Yes. ZAB, what is your answer? If you want to find ZAB, yes, please. Current has to start from A. Current has to come out from, okay, right, B. ZAB simply Z1. Fine. If I ask ZAE, what is your answer? Current has to start from A. Current has to come out from E. Current comes like this. At this point, current divides like what? Some I2 and I5. I5. Again, I2 current comes and divides like what? Some I6, and let us call this current as some I3. I5, I6 adds here. Let us call this current as some I5 plus I6. I5 plus I6 adds, and all the currents adds like what? I. Sir, this procedure we could see, current distribution we are doing na, writing here I2, I5. This procedure we call as current distribution. Please get perfection with this current distribution, DS. Once I enter into mesh analysis, till end of the subject, I will be using only current distribution in solving the problems. Current distribution technique is the best technique in solving the problems in networks. Then slowly I am habituating of doing the current distribution for every structure. But we are doing one thing here. What is that? We are doing the current distribution with the maximum number of unknowns. Sir, in series parallel reduction techniques, will we solve any equations? No, we don't solve any equations. That's why I am going with maximum number of unknowns. Whereas in mesh analysis, we do the same procedure, but we go with minimum number of equations. Reason, there you have to solve the equations for finding branch currents and branch voltages. Done, dears? Right. ZAE, please. Come on, tell me, sir. Which two elements are connected in series and which two elements are connected in parallel here? Which two elements are in series parallel combinations, please? Series parallel combinations. Here, the conclusion, no two elements are connected in series and no two elements are connected in parallel. Is current same any of the two branches, two impedances? No, current is not same here. Any parallel combination, sir? No. Observe, if you filled any parallel combination, here plus, here minus, here plus, here minus, positive, positive connected here, this negative connected here, this negative connected here. Come on, tell me, this point, both the points same or different? Different, dears. Why? Because we have an impedance Z6, na? So here no two elements are connected in series and no two elements are connected in parallel. So neither series nor parallel, you have to go with star delta combinations. You have to go with star delta reductions. See, we have a reason. If anyone asks you why we have derived star delta combinations, when no two elements are connected in series and when no two elements are connected in parallel, then we go with star delta reduction techniques. Fine, sir. We solve this question once we enter into star delta. Next, ZAE question can be solved only after learning star delta. Question mark. As of now, it's a question mark. Next, ZAC. If I ask ZAC, what is your answer? Current has to start from A. Current has to come out from C. Done. Current comes like this. At this point, current divides like what? I2 and I5. I2 and I5. Next, whatever the current that comes in I5, let us say that current has divided like some I6 and I4. I6 and I4. Next, same I4 current comes like this. Why? Because it has to come out from C terminals. I6 current comes like this. All the currents adds like what? I. Hope it's visible to you, dears. Let me compress this. Hope it's visible to you. Done. Yes. Tell me, sir. I current divided like what? I current divided like what? I2 and I5. I5 current divided like what? I6 and I4. All the currents, please. I4 plus I6 and I2 adds like I. Done, sir. Right. Now tell me, please. Current, yes. See, current in Z4, Z3, same or different? Let me put this. Current in Z4 and Z3, same or different? It is same. Next, current, whatever the current that is flowing here, that is getting added with this current, means how this Z6 and this series combination connected? In parallel. Both are series, parallel with Z6. Next, this parallel combination is in series with what? Z5. Now this total combination is in parallel with what? Z2. The total combination is in series with what? Z1. Again I repeat, yes. Observe carefully, please. Yes, tell me, please. How these two connected, sir? How these two connected in series? These two connected in series. These two connected in series parallel with what? Z6. This parallel combination is connected in series with what? Z5. This total combination is connected in parallel with what? Z2. The total combination is in series with what? Z1. Clear, sir? Right. So let me write the answers here. ZAC, Z4 plus Z3 parallel with what? Z6, Z6 series with what? Z5 series with what? Z5. Next, combination is in parallel with what? Z2. The total combination is in series with what? Z1. Clear, sir? Right, this two series parallel with Z6, parallel with series with Z5, parallel with Z2. The total combination is in series with Z1. Done, sir? Similarly, some students are asking, sir, please give some homework. Yes, dear, ZAD I am giving as homework. Please solve this on your own. I am writing the answer here. Please cross check your answer with this. Yes. If I ask ZAD, what is your answer? ZAD, yes please. Current divides, yes. Z3, Z4 in series. Z3, Z4 in series. Yes. Parallel with Z6. Parallel with Z6. Series with Z2. Parallel with Z5. The total combination is in series with Z1. Is in series with Z1. Having any doubt, just please observe, sir. Current comes divides between this into this. This two in series, parallel with this. Whatever the current that comes here, that only has divided, na? So this is in series with Z2, parallel with Z5, series with Z1. Done, sir? Right. Next cue, please. Let us go with next question. So if we open Z6, what happens? It is similar to 9th question. If we short, next question. Let us short these two terminals. Let us short these two terminals. And come on, tell me, sir, what is your answer? If I ask ZAE, fast, a bit faster, please. Z1 plus Z2 parallel Z5 plus Z3 parallel, come on, sir, Z4. If I ask ZAC, what is your answer? Z1 plus Z2 parallel Z5. Like this it continues. Easy or difficult? Series parallel. Easy or difficult? Series parallel. Easy, dears. Some students used to ask me a question here in the earlier question. Let us go to earlier question once. Yeah, this question or might be this question. Sir, will examiner give this much tougher question? No, dears. Suppose if all the values in this impedance are 1 ohm. Question number 10, you replace with resistance of value 1 ohm and you solve on your own. Suppose value is given here something, say how this 1 connected in series. 1 connected in series, some 2 ohms. Suppose given here some 2 ohms, not 1 ohm, sir. It is a different values. Let me put here with help of green pen. Yes, say given values some 1 ohm, 1 ohm. Tell me how these two connected in series. Next, let us take as some 2 ohms. How this 2 ohm connected in parallel 1 ohm. Let us take some 1 ohm here. How this 1 ohm connected in series 2 ohms. Let us put some 2 ohms here. How this 2 ohm connected in parallel 1 ohm. Let us put some 1 ohm here. Finally, what is the answer? ZAB. If you ask me, it is simply 2 ohms. Clear, sir? This type of questions can be asked. So next Q, 11, 12. Sorry. Yes, we are question number 13. Yes, even question number 13 is done. Let us go with question 14. Yes, is it done? Question number 13? Yes, question 14. This is a bit interesting question, sir. What is ZAB? ZAB. Many will give answer as Z1, some will give answer as Z1 plus Z5, different combinations they used to give. Yes, sir. Let us call this point as some X. Therefore, obviously this point will be X. Let us call this point as some Y. Therefore, what will this point, sir? Y. Come on, engineers, tell me. Between X and Y, I am representing between X and Y, what we have? Between X and Y, we have Z2. Next, between the same X and Y terminals, what we have? Z3. What we have, dears? Z3. Next, between the same X and Y terminals, what we have? Z4. Z4. Next, for this X, what is connected? Z1 is connected. For this Y terminal, what is connected? Z5 is connected. Now tell me, what is ZAB? Z1 plus Z2, Z3, Z4 in parallel, series with what? Z5. So if I ask ZAX, what is your answer? Z1. If I ask ZXY, what is your answer? All these three in parallel. If I ask ZYB, what is your answer? Simply it is Z5. Any difficulty? Yes? No. Next cube. Next cube. Suppose, see, what is the difference between earlier question and this question? Earlier question, here we have a jumper, means on one wire we have other wire. Whereas in this question, both are shorted. If you ask me, what is voltage across, or if you ask me, what is ZAB here? What is your answer? If you want to write the same answer, it is wrong, DS. Why it is wrong? So now please. What is the voltage here, sir? Started positive, go to negative following KVL sign convention. We don't have any voltage here. It's a short wire, simply it is a 0 volts. If you ask me what is the voltage here, started positive, go to negative, short wire, 0 volts. If you ask me what is the voltage here, started positive, go to negative, how much, sir? 0 volts. 0 volts. Okay, right. Means what is current in this wire? 0 amperes. If you ask me what is current here, 0 amperes. If you ask me what is current here, 0 amperes. So then how current flows in circuit if test source is connected? Say some I comes like this. I is coming, sir. This is 0. What is current here? Same I. Same I. Observe carefully, please. I comes like this and goes like this. Why? Because current nowhere it enters into an impedance path. Observe carefully, sir. Yes, this is 0 current, this is 0. What is this current? I can also answer like this. This current is 0, sir. This is also 0. What is this current? 0 only, na? This is 0. This is 0. What is this current? 0. 0 plus 0 is coming like this. I is coming like this. I plus 0, I goes like this. Clear? In another way also I can explain. Fine? Yes. Say current I comes like this. You tell me what is the answer here. Simply it is Z1 plus Z5. Z1 plus Z5. How many structures I have discussed so far? 15 structures I have discussed. 15 structures. Yes or no? Right. Every structure I have taken impedance. Correct? We can replace impedance with what? Resistance, inductance, capacitance, inductive reactance and capacitive reactance. Into 5 combinations we can replace. Yes or no? Next. 15 into 5 into. Yes. For every structure, what we have calculated? AB we have calculated. CD we have calculated. AC we have calculated. AD we have calculated. BD we have calculated. And even BC we have calculated. For every structure we have calculated. Yes. 6 combinations into 6 into AB, BA both are same, na? CD, DC both are same, na? AC, CA both are same, na? Into 2. Therefore, how many questions we have discussed, sir? Almost in 1.5 hours. How many questions we have discussed? 15 5 sir, 75, 75 6 sir, don't know. Right? Let us calculate this. 2 6 sir, 12, 12 5 sir, 60, 60 into 15, 900 objective questions were discussed. We have discussed 900 objective questions on series parallel adduction techniques, sir. The best structures in understanding series parallel adduction techniques. Fine, sir. Sir, let us apply this series parallel or replace this resistor with inductor and observe what is this ZAB or LAB here. Fine. If you replace with resistor, same answer, sir. R1 plus R2, R3, R4 in parallel series with R5. If you replace with inductor, L1 plus L2, L3, L4 parallel series with L5. Interesting. If you replace this with capacitor, that is a bit interesting. Yes. Suppose if you replace this with capacitor, how all these three connected, sir? In parallel. Parallel combination for capacitor means what, right? C2 plus C3 plus C5. Let us call this as some CZ. CZ equal to C2 plus C3 plus C4. C2 plus C3 plus C4. Now, what is CAB? If I ask you, C1 series with CZ series with C5 means C1 CZ C5 by C1 CZ plus CZ C5 plus C1 C5. This is how you do this. This is how you do. Suppose if you replace with inductor reactance and capacitor reactance, Inductive reactance and capacitive reactance. Let me draw structure here itself. Suppose inductive reactance is given, how you will be doing? Let us take this impedance as some J1 ohms, this has some J2 ohms, some J3 ohms, CDAB. Very first structure, sir. Very first structure, T network. Fine. If examiner asks me XLAB, what is your answer? These two connected in series. That is what you have discussed, right? Yes. J 4 ohms. Next, if examiner asks XLCD, what is your answer? How these two connected in series? J 5 ohms. Next, if examiner asks XLAC, in XLAC what two are connected in series? Z1 or J1 and J2 are connected in series. What is your answer, sir? J3 ohms. J3 ohms. Fine. Let us take the same T shape or T network and draw with capacitive reactances. Sir, hope it's clear to you, sir. These two are in series. Having any doubt? Let us go to first problem. Let us go to first problem and explain you, sir. This is what the advantage even we have with online classes, dears. We can go forward, we can go backward, we can have a revision about the previous question. Tell me, what is ZAB? Z1 plus Z3. What is ZCD? Z2 plus Z3. What is ZAC? Z1 plus Z2. This is what we have written, right? Yes or no? Done, dears. So, let's go with the question and capacitive reactance. Draw the structure with capacitive reactances and conclude series parallel reduction techniques. Capacitive reactances. Any values of your wish you can take. Let me take here minus J1 ohms, minus J2 ohms and minus J3 ohms. C here, D here, A and B. If examiner asks XCAB, what is your answer? What is your answer? Tell me, which two elements are connected in series? Minus J1 is connected in series with minus J3 ohms. And what is the answer, sir? Minus J4 ohms is correct. Now students used to get one doubt here. Sir, capacitors, no sir. We have to go with series combination means J1 into J3 by that formula I had used, no sir. No, dears. Here what is the value given in terms of ohms? Value given in terms of ohms. Ohms means please give the respect of impedance. Suppose if the values are given in terms of farads, then you have to go with that combination. Series means farad into farad by farad plus farad. Series means parallel means farad plus farad. Let me give an example here. 2 farad connected in series. See how I am doing this. If you ask me CAB, what is your answer? 2 farad into 2 farad. 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2. What is the answer? 1 farad. Suppose if the question is given in terms of ohms, minus J2 ohms and minus J2 ohms, AB. If anyone asks me XCAB, what is your answer? Minus J2 minus J2. What is the answer, sir? Minus J4 ohms. Hope it's clear to you. Minus J4 ohms. Done, sir? Yes. Next question, please. Similarly here, what is XCCD, sir? These two are in series. What is your answer? Minus J5 ohms. Suppose if anyone asks XCAC, what is your answer? Minus J1 minus J2 connected in series. Minus J3 ohms. Minus J3 ohms. Clear, sir? Right. This is what series parallel reduction techniques. Easy or difficult? Yes. Suppose discuss all these questions in class. For surely students will miss some points. And as said earlier, we will be running with full pressure of completing the syllabus in 50 to 55 hours. Managements will give 50-55 hours to close subject years. This is online. We can go with infinite service for the student community. As we are teachers, we love teaching and we love giving more and more service for students. Done? Right, sir. Let's go with one more simple question and conclude this topic. Let us draw some structures, sir. Orbitary structure I am drawing. Orbitary structure. This is A and B. Drawing the similar structure, sir. similar structure. Yes, and let us short this wire like this. We can also put an impedance like this here. This is some X and Y. Let us take the values orbital value 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohms, 5 ohms, 6 ohm, 7 ohm and 8 ohm. If you do this, yes, I can say perfectly that you are confident in series parallel addiction techniques or any circuit easily can solve. It's an open challenge, dears. If you are able to solve this or even if you understand this, yes, I can say you are perfect with series parallel addiction techniques. Let us write what is RAB first. RAB, fine. Current comes like this. At this point, current divides into this and this. Yes or no? At this point, current divides into this and this. So no current flows in wire, sir. That is for sure. Current comes like this. Current comes like this. Current flows in the shortest path and current enters like this. Clear? Getting the answer, sir? 1 plus 2 parallel with 4 plus 5. The combination is in series with 3 ohms. RAB is over. Next Q. What is RAX? RAX means current has to start from A, current has to come out from X. Done, sir? Right. See, current is coming from A to come out from X. Can current goes like this? No, not possible. Can current comes like this and goes like this? No, not possible. Can current comes like this and goes like this? From Y it can't jump to X. Can it jump? No, not possible. So RAX, simply current comes like this and comes out from simply 1 plus 7 is the answer. Next, if anyone asks what is RXY, what is your answer? Or let us write first RAY, what is your answer? RAY, yes, current comes like this, current comes like this. Can current go like this? No, means this is completely open when you are finding RAY. Done, sir? Right. Will current comes and goes through X? If current flows through X, current can't jumps into Y, therefore no current flows here. Done, sir? Current comes like this, divides into this and this. So current in 2 ohm comes like this, flows in shortest path, comes into Y. Current comes like this and flows into Y. Or simply we can answer like this: current entering means here plus, leaving means minus. Current entering means plus, leaving means minus. This minus connected here, both the points are same because of short wire. Next, plus connected here. How this 2 and 7, 5 plus 4, 9 connected in parallel? I can write like 1 plus 2 parallel 4 plus 5. The combination is in series with 8. Hope it's visible to you, sir. Fine. Many other combinations possible, sir. Let me write RXY and conclude series parallel addiction techniques. Done, sir. RXY, current, let me use black pen. Current comes like this, divides into this and this. No current flows here. Why? Because no path. No current flows in wire, no path. Current comes like this, divides into this and this. So the answer is 7 plus 2 parallel 4 plus 5. The combination is in series with 8. This is what series parallel addiction techniques here. Almost you have taken some beautiful structures and analyzed equivalent impedances in different directions even. This is what the advantage we have with online classes. We can go with infinite service, dears. But only one thing students should have: enough data in viewing all this, and very important thing, the patience. Patience, dear. Patience in learning the subject, in understanding subject. Once you learn like this, the confidence what you get, that matters a lot for you. Done, dears? Right. Thank you. All the best.